happen, that is going to happen, or the future time, or the simple future tense.
So today we are going to learn about the present, past and the future tenses. That means we are going to learn about the future tenses. That means there are three types of tenses, that is past, present and also future. In that, how we can change the past to present and present to future tense, today's class we are going to learn about those. So by seeing these sentences here, the story tells about, that means this is in a present time, that means the story is going on. So this is called as present tense. The first sentence is telling about the present time where this tells is used in this sentence. Now by going through the second one, I succeeded in making the letters correctly. Succeeded, that means the work has been completed just now or earlier or before. The sentence, if it is telling that the work has been completed, it is said to be that this sentence is in a past time or simple past tense. Okay children, I hope you are all understanding. If the work has been completed, it is said to be the past tense. Now coming to the third one, this story will inspire many people to overcome challenges. The story will inspire. Inspiring means giving some boosting. That means telling about the future of that sentence. Will, shall, can, may. These words are used in the future tense. So this is called as future tense, simple future tense. Now moving further,
all these sentences show the time when was something or will be done. Was or will be done. They show us the tense of a verb. Mention the tense of each of the underlined verbs in these sentences. 1. It was the 3rd of March. It was 1887. 3 months before I was 7 years old. Simple past tense. 2. Mr. Rao will try his best to help your son learn Hindi well. Simple past tense. 3. Our team wins almost every match. Simple present tense. 4. We heard a strange story. Simple past tense. 5. I felt my teacher sweep the fragments to one side. Simple future tense. 6. Everything has a name. Each name gives birth to a new thought. Simple present tense.
So children, here I want to discuss about the thing. Simple present and past tense you can know about by seeing these letters. Coming to the first sentence, it was the 3rd of March 1887. That means was tells about the past tense which has been already finished. So this becomes the simple past tense. Second sentence, Mr. Rao will try his best to help your son learn Hindi well. That means he will help, means it is going to be done in the future. But here they have given past tense, but this is wrong. This is in a future tense. It will, shall, can, may. These helping verbs can be used in the future tense. So this is the answer, simple future tense of this sentence. Next one, our team wins almost every match. Wins becomes present. So always they are going to win the match. That is correct. So simple present tense. What it is happening in just now, we mentioned in a simple present tense. Okay. Next, coming to the fourth one, we heard a strange story. Heard. Heard means already the work has been completed. Hearing is in a past tense. So heard. Here is the future tense. Heard is the past tense. Here also they have given the wrong one. So you have to write it as the present tense. So simple present tense is not the answer. It is called as the simple past tense. Next, the same one. I felt my teacher sweep the fragments to one side. Felt. Felt is already the work has been finished. Feeling, feel, felt. So this becomes the simple past tense. This one also becomes the simple past tense. This is not the future tense. What they have given is the wrong one. You have to correct it in a past tense. Okay. Next, coming to the sixth one. Everything has a name and each name gives birth. Has is already, as I told you, which is in the present, is called the present tense. So this becomes the correct one. This is the simple present tense. While writing in the textbook or in the notebook, see what all the changes I have been giving now in the video. You have to write the same answer. Don't confuse yourself. Go through the video once or twice, then only write the answers. Okay, children, now moving to the next exercise.
Change the following sentences from the simple present to the simple past tense.
So here we have to write the sentences from simple present to simple past. That means from the present tense we are making it in a past. That means finished work we have to write it these sentences. Now I am going to start you. Now I am going to write here. A cold breeze blows every morning. A cold breeze blew every morning. A cold breeze. Breeze, blows will become the past. In the past tense it will become blew. B-L-E-W. Blew every morning. Full stop. This is the one. Next, he drinks tea every morning. Drinks tea. Drinks will become the present tense. Now we have to change this word into past tense. That is, he drank tea every morning. Full stop. Next, she sweeps her room every day. She sweeps her room. Sorry. Here sweeps will become swept. She swept her room every day. Full stop. Next, coming to the fourth one. Some students forget what they learn. Some students forget what they learn. Some students forget will become forgot. Forgot what they learn will become learnt. What they have learnt. What they learnt. Next, The soldiers fight and win. The soldiers fight will become F-O-U-G-H-T, fought. And won, win will become won. Next, sixth one. The boys slide and fall on the ice. Slide will become the slid. They have slid and fell. Fall will become the fell. Fell on the ice. Like this, you have to write the sentences into past time so that it will become simple present to past. Now coming to the seventh one. Why I am giving this all question and answers or the sentences? Because some children in last test, they never write anything in the test. What all I have given, only those question and answers they have written. If I have given some homework, you have to complete it and you have to write it in the notes. But many are not doing. So I am giving each and every sentence and question and answer for your needy purpose. So he wants become. He wants to read. He wants to read every book in the class library. He wants every book. This is in the past tense, so I have to write it in the past tense. So he read here becomes read. Though the spelling is same, but you have to pronounce it as the he read. Read. Every book in the class library. Okay children, like this you have to frame the sentences. She feeds street dogs. She feeds. Feeds in the present tense. Now we have to write it in a past tense. She fed street dogs. This is your completion of the
B. Change the following sentences from the simple past to the simple present.
So you have to change it in the simple present to simple past to simple present. Before we have done simple present to simple past. In this you have to change from simple past to simple present. Here it has been given that sang. Sang is a past word. So you have to make it into a present one. Sang, sings. Forgot, forget. Hid, hide. So I am giving you the answers directly. It is easier for you to write it in the
change the following
textbook.
Sentences to the simple future. B. Change the following sentences from the simple past to the simple present.
So she hides herself behind the bushes. Next, fourth one. Nidhi solved the sum correctly. Here I am going to write it for you. N-I-D-H-I, Nidhi solves. Solved is the past tense. Solves is the present tense. Solves the sum correctly. Okay, coming to this one, I write. Right here, the word write will become the wrote. Wrote. Present tense is write, past tense is wrote. So W-R-I-T, we have to write it in the present tense. So write a letter to Lalita. Full stop. Next, the sparrows build the nest in our house. Build. Build is the past tense. Build is the present tense. Sparrows, B-U-I-L-D, build nest in our house. Okay, going to next one.
C. Change the following sentences to the simple future.
Okay. Some corrections will be made in the textbook given answers, so I'll be trying to recorrect them and send you correct answers. So hope you are all writing the correct answers in your textbook and notebook. Check once again, go through the videos if were all necessary. Okay. And this way I want to make you sure that all answers should be written in a correct way. Here is this is all about today's class. So next class I am going to make you learn about the vocabulary. Okay children, take care. This is all about today's class.